How can I save a graph to a PNG or GIF file in Microsoft Excel? How can I save a graph to a PNG or GIF file in Microsoft Excel? I know I can save as an HTML file and use the image created there, but I suspect there is a way that doesn't create other clutter of files I don't want. I'm happy to install an add-in if that is the recommended option. I'm using Excel 2003 and 2007 if that matters.
Excel lacks any user-accessible support for this functionality, but you can either easily work around this or dig into VA, where this functionality is provided. One-shot export. Select the graph, the whole graph, not an internal component, so select the border. Copy it, Ctrl+C, right-click copy, whatever you like. Open MS Paint. Paste. You may wish to minimize the image size first, it will get enlarged to fit, but not shrunk. Save as desired. Bulk export. You would probably want to look at using ActiveChart.export in a BA macro. This lets you specify a file path and then lets Excel do the work. Below is a working prototype that I've just put together. Run this and every chart in the active workbook will be exported to the same folder as that file, in PNG format, with _chart hash appended to the file name, where hash is an increasing number. It doesn't perform any safety checks, so will overwrite files, and doesn't contain any error checking. It will not work if you haven't yet saved the workbook. The location is read-only or anything else that prevents writing to the file's location. I have only tested this in Excel 2003, as that's all I have to hand at the moment. In other words, use at your own risk. This is intended as a basic working example only. Note, I've encased the comments ins at both ends, which isn't needed, but helps make sure they're colored correctly here.
The best way is to save the Excel file as HTML. Then go to the folder where images were stored and you'll see the PNG images you want.
To safely convert to PNG, you can copy the figure from Excel, paste it onto a slide in PowerPoint, and then do the following. Save as other formats, then select your desired format. It will then ask if you'd like to apply this to the current slide only, or all the slides. If you select all slides, it creates a folder in the directory you specify, and saves each slide to its own file in the selected format. It's not very elegant, but it can be quick enough when you just need the files, and is especially helpful if you've already made a presentation with the same graphs.
Old thread, but just in case anyone else lands here from Google, Excel 2011 for Mac has a Save as Picture option on the right-click menu for doing exactly this.
If you want to start it,